Hi guys, it's Dan from Action Air Guns. Welcome back. Today it's not quite an air rifle or air gun, but it's an airsoft gun. This is my friend Isaac's. It's a, well, we'll see what it is when we open it. I will give him the honours to open his parcel, and let's go.
Thank you very much. Comes in a lovely, well packaged bubble wrap worm.
My address!
That's right. I didn't see. I didn't see.
I blew it out.
Give it a. Pretty sure it's upside down.
Excuse the paint on his hands, he's been painting. He's not dirty, he's just painting.
Take your address.
I know, it's a WE Hi-Capa.
There we go. Beautiful, slightly dented box.
This is the genuine first opening, so.
Let's go book.
I believe this is his first airsoft gun that he's opened and packaged.
It does have a nice weight to it as well. Yeah. Take it out of the bag.
Again, it's an airsoft replica.
Not real, guys.
A riff in the UK. So be careful because they might have triggers back, so they might have been doing some test shots with it to get it. So if you want to just shoot into the bag, just to make sure it's all clear. You can shoot into the.
Yeah, very nice looking gun. Quite happy with that.
What's it called? Do you know?
That's
Can you remember what it's called? You can't remember.
I'll
it's
check
the,
online.
I think it's the dragon something. But it's WE's Hi-Capa. Tell you exactly the name. WE Hi-Capa 7-inch full metal dragon model A. Let's see if you can get that. There's 134 quid. I'm assuming it'd probably take Hi-Capa all WE Hi-Capa mags. I'm just gonna have a look.
Go for it.
Looks clear. No gas in it, so it's fine. Fucking slide up. I like the front of it. The bash, the meat. Call you hurt? No, smack. But as you can see, there's no gas in it. Made in Taiwan.
So all good guns are made.
Oh, good guns. Nope, it's gone a bit blurry.
I'll take that sticker off. We don't need to know where it's from.
Got a looks at fibre sight on the front. Biggest question about getting a bloody holster. That's a. I do have another channel called Airsoft Tactical. I haven't uploaded. I really should upload this to it, but I probably will on that channel as well. But, yeah, it's a lovely looking gun. What else did it come with? You see Allen keys, standard bag of Allen keys, probably. Yeah, got a lovely weight to it though. Yeah. makes me want one now. But yeah, it looks like a standard Hi-Capa magazine. Probably fit my my magazines for my Airsoft armory. From my Airsoft armory. Yeah. Thank you for viewing, guys. I know I said last video that we're gonna have the next video would have been a shooting range test for the rifle. I just haven't had time to. I'm working 6 days a week. Haven't times to go to the range. Unfortunately, it's struggling, but I'll try and get that one up as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. If you like and subscribe, that would be much appreciated.